I'm going to introduce you to aliases as another technique that we use in programming. At the moment, we've got these libraries, JSON, URLlib, and URLlib2. And we are using the URLlib2 there and the JSON library there. Now, sometimes these library names get a bit long or may look similar, and we can actually sort of use an alias rather than the actual full name. So if I type here as J, as U, and as U2, so what I'm doing is I'm giving them an alias, in other words, another name. So instead of using JSON, I'm going to use J. Instead of using URLlib, I'm going to use U, and so on. But I need to change my code. So there, I'm going to change that to j.loads, and here I'm just going to do u2.open, .url open. Now the program should work exactly the same. So if I just run it, before I do that, let's just change this one to u2 as well. So I'm using aliases. Save it and run it. It should do exactly the same thing. CV12, AEA. There you go. Now I'm going to use an alias for this error. Okay. Some people would just put as for error. I'm going to be even shorter than that. I'm going to just call it E. So the whole U2 URL error is going to be aliased as E. And then we go back to what we were doing previously, and I'm just going to put E dot reason. And now I should have a reason for why it failed. So let me save it. Run it again. Something went wrong. Error number 004. Get address info failed. So now I've got an error message as well, which is fine. It's just what I want. I could sort of work that out and print my own message for it. That would be great. But in this video, what we've done is we've changed these just for aliases, and I've used the alias to pull the reason out. Again, we tried this in the last one. It didn't seem to work properly, but if I copy that and place that instead of that E, that should work exactly the same thing. I think I just forgot to put the library on the front of it. So let's just check that. Oh no, it certainly doesn't like that. So we've got to have the E. In fact, even I learn something every day. So in the next video, we're going to sort of gracefully drop out of this program. So we will have a look at that shortly.